What up everyone, this is going to be a quick review on the Benyar Explorer. I know you guys got places to go, so I'm not going to ramble on for over 10 minutes and get straight to the review. This is the Benyar watch that comes in this lizard scale rectangular box. Let's take a look inside. This watch retails for $55 and it pays homage to the Rolex Explorer. The watch comes in weighing in at 145 grams. Case diameter is 41 millimeters, thickness is 14 millimeters, lug to lug is 50 millimeters, and lug width is 20 millimeters. So this watch is a lot chunkier than the Explorer and it's not even close. The glass is a regular mineral glass, which is no surprise for a watch at this price. This is supposedly stainless steel, or stainless steel as Benyar likes to call it. The case is completely polished on the front, sides, and back. It has the Mercedes hour hand, large 369 numbers on the face just like the Explorer, and your standard screw down crown at the 3 o'clock. It's water resistant of up to 50 millimeters, but honestly I wouldn't go swimming with this, let alone diving. Moving on to the straps, the strap is brushed throughout with the deployant clasps, and there's no micro adjustments or half links, so this will either fit you or not. The contrast between the brushed straps and polished casing is just way too big of a difference. Doesn't blend well at all. That huge contrast makes it look like the strap is made out of completely different type of steel. It really makes this watch look very cheap. For the movement, this is a no-name automatic movement. It's nothing special. I really don't think it's all that accurate, but it works, so no complaints. For $55, you can't expect a high quality automatic movement. The see-through caseback is always a plus. I have no life, so I just like staring at watch movements all day, and this movement looks beautiful. Let's check out the lume. After shining my light at it for about 90 seconds, it looks pretty good at first glance, but when you take a closer look, you can see it's a little grainy, especially at the 12 o'clock position. It's fading pretty fast as well, so the lume is definitely not very good, but that's standard for watches at this price point. So how does it fit? For reference, my wrist is 6 3/4 inches, and to no surprise, it looks pretty fat on me. If you take a look at a side view, the case is a little too straight, so you see those gaps between the watch and my wrist. The contrast between the case and the strap is really bothering me. It just looks like a cheap watch because it is a cheap watch. Overall, I give it a 4 out of 10. And that's it for this week's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Benyar Explorer. I have an entire playlist of watch reviews right here, so check that out if you love watches. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.